guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do an everyday glam-ish makeup look. So if you want to see how you can achieve that, please go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm still using this little guy. It's the Professional from Benefit, and I am going to apply that all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to use this Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation. It's in the shade Light Vanilla, and I'm going to apply that with a brush. Next, for concealer, I'm going with my usual one, the Catrice Liquid Camouflage in Light Natural, and I'm going to conceal my under eyes and all the usual spots. And then blend it out with my beauty sponge. To set everything in place, I am going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and again with my beauty sponge I am going to set my under eyes first, and then the rest of my face. Next, for bronzer, I'm going to take the Beauty Crop Sardinia Sand Bronzer bronzer. Please don't break. It looks like this. And I am going to bronze my cheeks. Next, for highlights, I'm going to go with this Morphe High Impact Highlighter in the shade Spark. It looks like this, and I am going to apply this on the high point of my face. And for blush, I'm going to take this blush palette by e.l.f. It's in the shade Light, and this is how it looks. And I am going to go with this shade in here. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I will come back for my eye look. So for my eye look, I am going to keep it pretty simple today. All I'm going to do to my top lid is apply some eyeliner, and I'm not going to do a really big sharp wing. Just keep it nice and simple. And then on the lower lash line, I am going to apply some eyeshadow. So let's start with the eyeliner and see if I can do it on camera. I've never did it on camera, and it's scaring me. That's one eye done, and I am going to do the other one off camera because I just can't. Okay, eyeliner done. And for my lower lashes, the palette I'm going to use is this I Heart Revolution Chocolate Orange, which looks like this. And the first shade I am going to apply, it's this one in here, and it's called Peep. So I'm going to take that with a fluffy brush and blend that into my lower lash line. And next, with a pencil brush, I am going to go with this dark brown shade in here, which is called Dessert, and I'm going there is so much annoying noise outside right now, it's getting on my nerves. So with that brown shade I am going to put that on my lower lash line as close to my lashes as possible, just to darken it a tiny bit more. And then blend it out, and then blend it out with the first brush. Next I'm going to apply mascara and some false lashes, and I will be back to finish the eye look. Now that I have my mascara and lashes on, this is how the eye makeup looks like. All I am going to do next is apply some highlight in my inner corners, and again I'm going to use the highlighter that I used for my face, and I will take that with a flat brush and apply it in my inner corners. And as well I will apply it on my brow bone. Next, for my lips I am going to apply this Catrice Long Lasting Lip Pencil in upper brown side, which is a brownish color, and for lipstick today I am going to use this Bella Pierre Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Envy, which is a brownish reddish color. And I'm going to line my lips and then apply the lipstick. This is the makeup look I came up with. I do think it's an everyday makeup look. You can wear it everywhere, to work, I don't know, for a coffee, whenever you want to feel a bit glamorous but don't spend too much time on it. You don't have to wear false lashes with it, it's just a preference. I just put them on honestly for the purpose of the video. But yeah, if you enjoyed this makeup look, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!